Hello everyone, and welcome to our Python programming tutorial. In this video, we'll be giving you a brief introduction to the wonderful world of Python programming. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience in programming, this tutorial will help you get started with Python. So let's dive right in. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It was first released in 1991. Python has gained immense popularity in recent years, and it's widely used in various domains, including web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. The Python community is vast and vibrant, with a rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks that make development even more efficient. Now we will see how to install Python and its IDE to start programming. So just go to the Google and type Python in the search below. You will get the official website of Python. Just click on it. Then just click on Downloads on the download page. Click on the download to get the latest version of Python. Once you download the Python, just install it. Normally we do installation, then go to the Google and type scikit. Click on the first link below showing the official site of scikit, so click on it. Then simply click on Download. Then below the community, click on Download. By clicking, it will start downloading, and once downloaded, just install it in a normal way. Certainly. Let's cover the basic syntax of Python. Python is known for its simplicity and readability, which is reflected in its syntax. Here are some key points. Statements. Each instruction or line of code is considered a statement. Statements are typically written on separate lines. For example, like here, there are two print statements, and each print statement is written separately. Indentation. Python uses indentation to define blocks of code, such as loops or function definitions. Indentation is typically done using spaces or tabs, but it must be consistent within a block. For example, like here, the above two print statements will only execute when the condition is true, and the other print statement will always execute comments. Comments are used to add explanatory notes within the code. Python supports both single-line and multi-line comments. Single-line comments start with the hash character, while multi-line comments are enclosed between triple quotes, or e. For example, like the first line shows this is the single comment, and the below part shows that this is the multi-line comments.